Building a computer from scratch, day 5. In the last video, we discussed binary. Today, we are using binary. Multi-bit adder. This is a multi-bit adder, specifically a 2-bit adder. It doesn't sound impressive, but it can add binary numbers together. Our buttons are now switches. This is because we want our input to represent binary. This part of the switch represents the 1-bit, and these switches represent the 2-bit. The single switch on the right represents the carry bit. The carry bit allows us to send bits to other multi-bit adders. This way, we can do math with larger binary numbers.